So we have cardinal rules of investigation. Cardinal rules of investigation, 5W and 1H. So what, when, what, when, where, why, how, who. So what? Ano ba yung crime? When? Kailan? Date and time yan. Date and time. Where? Saan naganap ang crime? Why? So, why? So, sino ba? So, paano? Why? Why? Example, Pedro wants to hold gun. So, Pedro wants to hold gun. Became, so, because Pedro is a rookie and not trained in handling the gun, accidental firing. So, why? So, the reason, accidental firing. Why? So, what? Homicide. So, crime. The crime of homicide. It is the elements of crime of homicide. Because Pedro killed one. Oh. How? So, a man grabbed his companion gun and the man did not know that the gun was loaded and shot in towards his friend in the head and in the chest because Pedro is a rookie and he grabbed one gun. So, who? The name of the killer is Pedro. Who? And the name of the person killed is Juan. So, who? Where? The crime scene. Where the crime scene took place. So, in the house of the victim. So, in barangay Masigla, example, Cavite. So, in making a report, the 6 cardinal rules of investigations present. Complete the report. Complete the in final report. The evidence. Complete the facts. So, represent what, when, where, why, how, who. So, and also, in making a report, give the from the present, from the start to the end, the crime was committed. So, hindi pwede na sa gitna muna, sa dulo, so ano. So, kailangan maayos, kumpleto, wala nang tanong, yun na yung nandoon na lahat. So, in final report, in initial report, so, medyo meron pang follow up yun. So, initial pa lang yun. So, konti pa lang yung ano. So, sa final, nandun na lahat. So, yun po yung ano natin. So, ang bala ko, gagawa po kayo ng report. Crime scene, gagawa ng initial, tapos final. So, initial to final report. So, yun po ang ano ko. And magre-reconstruct din kayo ng crime scene, gag-gather kayo ng evidence. So, magko-covert kayo, covert investigation, and mag-i-interrogation kayo. So, kompleto. Bala ko sa inyo po. Class. So, ngayon, naaralin natin lahat ng klase ng ano. I-justify nyo po ang crime. Alamin ko sino ang principal, accomplice, and accessories. Ano ba ang pag nag-gather ng evidence, paano ba? So, ito pa, other example. The crime of serious physical injuries. So, in the crime of serious physical injuries, self-defense to prove the victim. So, importante kasi yung justifying, exempting, mitigating, aggravating. So, yun. Alam niyo po yung paano gamitin. So, in lack of sufficient provocation and unlawful aggression, so, unlawful, nataya yung buhay niya. So, and then, lack of sufficient provocation, hindi siya nag-provoke. Reasonable necessity means to employ to prevent or to repel it. So, reasonable po yung ginawa ng tao na para sinaksak, hindi gumamit ng panaksak, sinuntok, or binaril, martial arts. So, example, pag present po yung tatlo na yan, so, justified. So, in the crime of serious physical injuries, present yung tatlo, so, it's a self-defense. So, parang kaya ako sinasabi po lahat ng ito para po ma-open yung ano nyo sa investigation, sa interrogation, sa instrumentation, sa mag-i-open yung ano nyo sa elements of the crime, sa reconstruction of the crime scene, and para maging makuha nyo yung interrogation, yung application ng tools of investigation in fundamentals of criminal investigation. So, example, ito pa.